Hey there, green thumbs and gardening enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel where we dig deep into the world of farming. Today, we're diving into the colorful universe of capsicum farming. Capsicum, also known as bell peppers, are a versatile and delicious addition to any garden. Imagine biting into a crisp, juicy pepper straight from your backyard. Homegrown capsicums are packed with flavor and nutrients. They come in a rainbow of colors, adding vibrancy to your meals. Whether you prefer sweet or spicy, there's a capsicum variety for every taste. Growing your own capsicums is easier than you might think. With a little guidance, even novice gardeners can enjoy a bountiful harvest. This step-by-step guide will provide you with all the information you need. From choosing the right variety to harvesting your peppers, we'll cover it all. The first step to successful capsicum farming is choosing the right variety. Consider your local climate and the length of your growing season. Some varieties thrive in warm climates with long growing seasons. Others are better suited for cooler regions. Think about your personal preferences. Do you prefer sweet bell peppers or spicy chili peppers? There are countless varieties available, each with its unique flavor profile. Research different options and select the ones that appeal to you most. You can even experiment with growing a mix of varieties for a diverse harvest. Capsicums prefer well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. Before planting, prepare your soil by removing any weeds or debris. Loosen the soil with a garden fork or tiller to a depth of about 12 inches. Incorporate compost or aged manure into the soil to improve its fertility and drainage. Capsicums prefer a slightly acidic soil pH between 6.0 and 6.8. You can test your soil pH using a home testing kit. If necessary, amend the soil with lime to raise the pH or sulfur to lower it. Section 4. Planting and caring for your capsicum. You can start capsicum seeds indoors or sow them directly into the garden. If starting indoors, sow seeds in seed trays or peat pots 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost. Keep the soil moist and provide adequate warmth. Transplant seedlings outdoors when they have developed several sets of true leaves and the soil has warmed up. Harden off the seedlings by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions for a week before transplanting. Space plants about 18 to 24 inches apart in rows that are 2 to 3 feet apart. Water your capsicum plants regularly, especially during dry periods. Mulch around the plants with straw or wood chips to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilize your plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Capsicums are susceptible to pests such as aphids, spider mites, and cutworms. Monitor your plants regularly for signs of infestation and take appropriate measures. You can use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control pests organically. Section 5. Harvesting and enjoying your bounty. Capsicum plants will start producing fruits about 70 to 80 days after transplanting. Harvest the peppers when they are firm and have reached their mature color. Use a sharp knife or pruning shears to cut the peppers from the plant, leaving a short stub attached. After harvesting, store your capsicums in a cool, dry place. You can also freeze or pickle them to preserve their freshness. Enjoy your homegrown capsicums in salads, stir-fries, salsas, or any other way you like. Growing your own capsicums is a rewarding experience that allows you to enjoy fresh, flavorful produce. By following these simple steps, even beginners can achieve success. So why not give it a try? You'll be amazed at the difference Homegrown makes. Remember to subscribe, comment, and share whether you're going for that sweet crunch in your salads or a spicy kick in your dishes. Capsicum is your go-to veggie. And the best part? It's not just about growing food, it's about cultivating a thriving garden and enjoying the fruits of your labor.